Hi guys, I'm May Magnayo Williams. Welcome back to my channel, Food with May. Today I'm going to show you how to make embutido. That's right, it's that time of the year again where we're all gearing up for Christmas. And I'm so excited, it's my favorite season. And the first recipe I'm going to make this year for you guys is embutido, and that is steamed meatloaf with boiled eggs and frankfurters sausages. I know, right? And it's got raisins in it too. Optional, but you can add it if you like them. It's easy to make and it's perfect for Christmas. The origin of Filipino embutido can be traced when Spain colonized the Philippines. Embutido has evolved over the years, including the influence of American ingredients during their colonization. So Filipinos made embutidos to suit their taste and made it into some form of meatloaf. Embutido is one of those dishes that we serve during Christmas season, alongside some lechon, orellenong manok, leche flan, pancit, all different types of noodles, some lumpiang Shanghai, some suman or rice cakes, kakanin, and so many more. Okay guys, so for your embutido, we will need some minced pork. This is about 500 grams. And you will need some of these beautiful and colorful ingredients as well. We've got some carrots, raisins. This is optional, you don't have to use this. You can have apricots if you feel like using apricots, or if you're allergic to raisins or don't like raisins, you don't have to use raisins. You can use a different type of fruit, or you can take it out completely. Some onions, spring onions, some bell peppers. You can use any bell peppers that you like, red, orange, blue, yellow, whatever, but frankfurters or Vienna sausage, or any sausage that you like. You could put chorizo if you like also. Some boiled eggs and garlic. Also, to season them, you only need these salt and pepper. So now we've gone through the ingredients, let's cook. So the first thing we want to do is add our garlic in there, onions, carrots. Can't I mistake onions for carrots or carrots for onions? So add some carrots. So basically you want to mix all this together, your raisins. So basically you want to add everything in there apart from the eggs and the sausages. I'm going to show you what to do with those a bit later on. Add some pepper, about a teaspoon in there, and then about 2 teaspoons of salt. You don't want this too salty, you want it to just be enough in there. And then this is where the messy bit starts, but it's the fun bit. So just get your hands dirty, baby. That's what cooking is all about, right? Let's get dirty. Ooh. This will go really nicely as a starter or something to pick while you're waiting for your mains. But it's a classic Filipino Christmas dish, basically. Oh, okay. Change arms. That arm is dead now. I think that should be fine. Let's see, is it mixed? Yeah, it's mixed to me. Okay, so now the mince is mixed and seasoned. We will need some foil to wrap your embutido. A tip would be measure your pot where you're going to steam these, and then cut it to the length or the width of your steamer, so that you know it will fit in there. so, and then leave a little bit of space to kind of like twist on the side to keep your embutido in. So now we will need to add some of your mince in foil. Like put a generous amount in there because why not? Sharing is caring. Don't want to be mean with your meat. You need to share the meat. Share, share, share. Alright, so flat it down like this. What you'll do is add the sausages and everything in the middle, and then we will roll it together. I will show you how to roll it. Hopefully this, oh my god, you can see the camera. Never mind, that's for the close-up. I did not realize that. I think because I moved this. Wait, let's do a bit of tweaking. Oh, see it? You can't see it now. Now you see it, now you don't. So now we will add some of these frankfurters, and I think, yeah, we can just cut that there. Then add your eggs, your boiled eggs in there. So you can probably fit 4. So what we'll need to do is put these together, like so. And then you can kind of see that they're all in the middle. You kind of want to squeeze it a little bit. Like so, can you see? And then they are a little bit big, but don't worry, you can always make small ones. So kind of squeeze as you roll. So I like to sort of squeeze that a little bit there. There you go. It's like a burrito. It's a meatloaf. Now this is ready to steam. Okay, that's 1 down, a few more to go. So the last piece, guys, this is probably going to be a baby one as well. I'm going to put the embutido in a steamer now. I think this is now ready and boiling. Yep. Now you can steam this for about 30 minutes. Definitely 20 to 30 minutes, and then we can check. I think this is now ready. Let's check. Ooh, it looks good. Now take this off and put this on the side to cool down for now. Leave that off. Leave that to cool down. Can't wait any longer, guys.
That's a big one.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Thank you. Now roll it into the plate. Oh, wow. That looks amazing, and my Christmas decoration have fallen. I'm going to cut it this way. cutting it really, that's why. Okay. There you go, that's better. I mean, you could cut it thinner if you like. Just concentrating right now, trying to cut this perfectly for you. I'm a generous person. I like to feed people. I'm going to show you guys how to plate this. So, I usually serve this in my supper club as a starter. So I'm going to take maybe 4. It's a pretty good number. I'm not really stingy, so we're going to share. And then like to take like bits that's falling off. Make it look pretty. Take your freshly made banana ketchup and you put a dollop on there. And this is very chefy. I don't know, it might fail. Maybe just go whoop, like a little swoosh, and then I'm gonna cut some of this salad crest. Like I normally do, just sort of like, there you go. I don't know why I'm making that noise, but it just makes it look fresh and inviting and pretty, and it basically tells you, come and eat me. Eat me now, bleep. So there you go, this is my embutido and banana ketchup. I'm not going to mess this up because I'm going to take pictures of it. So I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to try the not so pretty one on this side. There you go. And every chef will know this, or anyone who have worked in the kitchen. The nice ones go to the customers. The not so pretty ones, actually I should have done it here. The not so pretty ones, the chef or the staff eats during their break. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so good. Boom. I done it again. Do you know what? This banana ketchup here is better than the one getting in the shop. The embutido is perfectly cooked. You can taste loads of different things in there, but they all come together as one, and it's so nice. And then it hits you with that raisin and the sweetness from the raisins. Right, pow! I'm here. Yeah, so pretty. Like marble meatloaf. And then, when you dip it in that peppery, garlicky, banana sweet, just makes you go, hallelujah. And then, when you dip it in that banana ketchup that you made, it just goes, OMG. That's it. That's it. Amazing. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button and subscribe for more Filipino food recipes and taste the Philippines in your own home. For now, paalam, bye!